Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So students, as you know that these days in Zoom class I was explaining you a new topic, and that is use of this and that. So student, this video is also regarding to that topic. Okay, so I will explain you something that where we can use this and where we can use that. Okay, so students, as I explain you Zoom class, that the things that are near to us, that the things that are single and near to us. Single means ऐसी चीजें जो सिर्फ एक हैं और हमारे पास हैं. पास मतलब जिन्हें हम टच कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो द थिंग्स दैट आर सिंगल एंड नियर टू अस, राइट. सो वी यूज दिस फॉर दैट, this for those things, and the things that are far from us. Far means dur, right? So the things that are single means one. The things that are single and far from us. Far means dur. We point like this, far. Okay, so we use that for those things, right? Means कि जो चीजें जो एक है और हमसे दूर है, ठीक है, उसके लिए हम इस तरह से फिंगर से पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि दैट इज अ स्टार, दैट इज अ मून. दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज दैट फॉर देम. द थिंग्स दैट वी कैन नॉट टच फ्रॉम द प्लेस वेयर वी सिट, मीन्स कि जिन चीजों को हम उस जगह से बैठ के टच नहीं कर सकते जहां पर हम बैठे हैं. जैसे लाइक आई एम सिटिंग हियर and I want to if I want to touch that fan, but I can't because it is far from me. ठीक है, अगर मैं इस फैन को टच करना चाहूं तो मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ because it is far from me. ये मेरे से दूर है. Is it clear to you? Now I will show you these things, this and how we can use this and that, right? So now I will show you some things, and with that we will use this and that. Okay, so first of all I have this toy car. I have this car, you can see. So this car is near to me, I can touch it. This car is near to me and I can easily touch it. So you can ask me, ma'am, what is this? आप मेरे से क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो कि मैम व्हाट इज दिस. सो हाउ आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू, और मैं आपको कैसे उत्तर दूंगी, कैसे आंसर करूंगी, that this is a car. Okay, like you question me, ma'am, what is this? Ma'am, what is this? So I will reply you, I will give you answer that this is a car. I use this is here because this is near to me. यहाँ पर मैंने this is का यूज किया है क्योंकि this car is near to me. Near to me means मेरे पास है. Okay, that's why I am using here. This is a means एक, single number, right? A car. This is a car. A means one, right? So this is a car. Next, now students, can you see that clock is there? Small clock is there. Yes. Okay, you can see that clock. But I can't touch that clock from here. From my place, I can't touch that clock. Okay? मैं यहाँ पर बैठी हूँ, but मैं यहाँ से उस clock को touch नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. But I want to. You can ask me like, ma'am, what is that? What is that? So I will reply you, that is a clock. That is a clock. So you observe how I am pointing this. मैं आपको कैसे दिखा रही हूँ. I am pointed this with this finger. मैं इस finger से आपको इशारा करके बता रही हूँ that is a clock. That is a clock, right? So it means the clock is far from me and I am using that for it. ठीक है, जो clock है वो मुझसे बहुत दूर है और उसके लिए मैं आपको that बोल रही हूँ. That is a clock. Okay. Now students, you can see here I have shuttle. This is used to play a badminton. ठीक है, ये क्या है, इसे हम बैडमिंटन खेलने में यूज करते हैं. You all know that, right? So now this shuttle is in my hand. It means it is near to me. This shuttle is near to me. I can touch it. And you can ask me, ma'am, what is this? If you will ask the question, you will ask me, ma'am, what is this? Okay. So I will answer you, this is a shuttle. This is a shuttle. Right? So अगर आपने मेरे को question किया, ma'am, what is this? So how I will reply you? I will reply you that this is a shuttle. Now I am using this here because this is a single shuttle, one single piece of shuttle and this is near to me. ठीक है, ये जो है एक सिंगल शटल का पीस है और ये मेरे पास है. So that's why I am using this is a shuttle. This is. Okay, always remember we use this is. This, that, is. Always we always use is with this and that. ठीक है, this और that के साथ हमेशा हम is का यूज करेंगे. Is it clear to you? Okay, now this is a shuttle. So Sujan, now you can see one photo frame is there. You can see that photo frame where a cat is there and one rat is there. So that photo frame is quite far from here. That photo frame is quite far from here. Means that photo frame is far from me. वो photo frame जो है वो मेरे से बहुत दूर है. So you can ask me, ma'am, what is that? You will question me, ma'am, what is that? ठीक है, आप मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछिए कि मैम व्हाट इज दैट. ओके, सो आई विल हाउ आई विल रिप्लाई यू. आई विल रिप्लाई यू दैट इज अ फोटो फ्रेम. दैट इज अ फोटो फ्रेम. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज अ फोटो फ्रेम. सो यू ऑब्जर्व दैट आई एम यूजिंग दैट इज देयर. ठीक है, आपने देखा कि मैंने क्या यूज किया दूर की चीज के लिए, दैट इज. एंड हाउ आई पॉइंटेड दैट चीज विद दिस फिंगर. हाउ आई एम पॉइंटिंग दैट थिंग, that photo frame with this finger. ठीक है, मैंने इस फिंगर से आपको बताया है कि that is a photo frame. Is it right? Now students, you can see some blankets are there. Some blankets are there. Blankets means kambal. Okay, so some blankets are there. You can ask me, ma'am, what is that? Okay, so you can ask me, ma'am, what is that? So I will answer you, ma'am, that is a blanket. ओके, दैट इज अ ब्लैंकेट. कि वो ब्लैंकेट है, वो कंबल है. ओके, सो अगेन आई एम पॉइंटिंग विद दिस फिंगर. फिर मैं आपको किससे दिखा रही हूँ? इस फिंगर से दिखा रही हूँ. इट मीन्स अगर मैं दूर से दिखा रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वो चीज हमसे बहुत दूर है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस फिंगर. मैं आपको पॉइंट करके दिखा रही हूँ कि दैट इज अ ब्लैंकेट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव दिस मेडिसिन बॉटल. व्हाट आई हैव? I have this medicine bottle. So this medicine bottle I keep with me. मैंने अपने पास रखा है इसको. Okay. So now you can ask me, ma'am, what is this? So you can ask me, ma'am, what is this? So how I will reply you? I will reply you, this is a bottle. This is a bottle. Okay. Is it clear? Why I am using this? Because this bottle is near to me and this bottle is in my hand. I can touch it. Okay, that's why I am using this is here. ठीक है, जो चीजें बिल्कुल हमारे पास होती हैं, जिनको हम टच कर सकते हैं, we can use this for those things. ठीक है, उन चीजों के लिए हम this का यूज करते हैं. Is it clear to you? Right? Next, you can see curtains are there. That purple curtain and yellow curtain. You can see there. So you can ask me, ma'am, what is that? So I will answer, that is a purple curtain. That is a purple curtain. I am talking about purple curtain. Only single curtain I am talking about. That is purple color. So how I am showing you that? With this finger. कैसे दिखा रही हूँ मैं आपको? इस finger से. It means when we show something that is far from us. ठीक है, जब हम कुछ दूर की चीज को दिखाते हैं तो हम इस तरह से पॉइंट करते हैं और हमें पता चलता है कि दैट थिंग इज फार फ्रॉम अस. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो चीज हमसे दूर है. सो आई विल रिप्लाई यू, दैट इज अ कर्टन. दैट इज अ कर्टन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? वेयर वी यूज दैट? Now I have this glass. I have this glass. So you answer me. What you will ask me? Like you will ask me, ma'am, what is this? You can ask me, ma'am, what is this? Means ये क्या है, ma'am? ये क्या है? You will ask me, ma'am, what is this? So I will reply you, this is a glass. How I will reply you? This is a glass, right? So same. Why I use this for here, for this glass? Because it is near to me and I can hold it. ठीक है, ये गिलास जो है मेरे पास है and I can hold it. मैं इसे पकड़ सकती हूँ. I can show it to you near the phone, near the camera. So that's why I am replying you, this is a glass, right? This is a glass. As students, now students, you can see that fan is far from me. I can't touch it, okay? But I told, you can ask me, ma'am, what is that? So I will reply you, that is a fan. That is a fan, okay? Now, I have this pen. This pen is near to me. Now you tell me, I will ask you, what is this? Now this time you will give me answer and I will question to you, right? Till now, you are asking me question and I am giving the answer to you. Now it's your turn, okay? I will ask you question. Students, tell me what is this? How you will give me answer now? Yes, tell me very quickly. Yes, you are right. This is a pen. This is a pen because this is near to me and this is a single number, right? So this is a pen. Now you can see here is a almirah, right? Here is a almirah. How I am pointed it with this finger. मैं कैसे दिखा रही हूँ आपको इस फिंगर से. Now I will ask you, what is that? How you will give me answer? What is that? Yes, give me answer. Yes, you are right. That is an almirah. That is an almirah. Why I am using an here? Because spelling of almirah is start with A. ठीक है, almirah के जो spellings हैं वो A से start हो रहे हैं and A is a vowel and with before vowel we use an. ठीक है, vowel से पहले हम an का use करते हैं. So that is an almirah. Now you can see up there. What you can see there? Yes. Now I am asking you, what is that? My question to you is, what is that? So what you will give me answer? How you will give me answer? What is that? Yes? Yes, that is a toy. That is a toy. Right? That is a toy. Means वो क्या है? वो एक toy है. So students, as we can use this and that, right? We can use this to things that are near to us, like this pencil, this book, right? And this kit. These all things are near to me. This shuttle, this glass, this car, and this bottle. These all things are near to me and I can easily show it to you by holding these things in my hand. Okay? मैं इन सब चीजों को आपको बड़े आराम से दिखा पा रही हूँ और अपने हाथ में पकड़ के दिखा रही हूँ. It means these are near to me. इसका मतलब ये चीजें जो है मेरे पास हैं. Okay? So we always use this for the things that are near to us. ठीक है? जो चीजें हमारे पास हैं उनके लिए हम this is a shuttle. This is a car. This is a pen. This is a glass. This is a bottle. This is a kit. Okay? And this is a book. Right? We use this for all these things. Now that is a photo frame. That is a photo frame. That is a fan. That is a fan. That is a blanket. That is a clock. That is a clock. That is a chair. bamboo chair, right? That is a chair. That is almirah. That is almirah. That is a toy. Okay. Now, and at the side you can see there is a flower pot is there. Okay. That is a flower pot. Okay. So now students, I hope you all are very nicely understand that how can we use this and that. Okay students. So now it's time to show you your worksheet. What is there in your worksheet and how you will do that worksheet. Okay. So let's see. Hello students. So students, now we will read here that where we can use this and that. So we use this to indicate things that are near. It means we use this to indicate, मतलब हम ऐसी चीज़ों को दिखाने के लिए this का यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारे पास होती हैं. Near means पास में. ओके. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज अ डक, एज दिस डक इज नियर टू दिस सेंटेंस. ठीक है. जो यहाँ पर सेंटेंस लिखा है उसके पास में है. सेम, दिस इज अ चेयर, दिस चेयर इज ऑल्सो नियर टू दिस सेंटेंस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, वी यूज दैट टू इंडिकेट थिंग्स दैट आर फार, FAR, फार फ्रॉम अस. ओके. इट मीन्स कि जो चीज़ें हमसे दूर होती हैं, इंडिकेट मतलब दिखाने के लिए, जो चीज़ें हमसे दूर होती हैं, थिंग्स मतलब चीज़ें, फार मीन्स दूर. ठीक है. जो चीज़ें हमसे दूर होती हैं उनको दिखाने के लिए हम दैट का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज़ अ बॉल. यू कैन सी हेयर दिस बॉल इज फार फ्रॉम दिस सेंटेंस. मीन्स इस सेंटेंस से ये बॉल बहुत दूर है. जैसे डक थी वो इधर पास में थी, चेयर भी जो थी, this chair is also near to this sentence, but now this ball is far from this sentence. ठीक है. इस सेंटेंस से जो चेयर है वो दूर है. सेम, दैट इज अ कॉट. कॉट मीन्स दिस चारपाई. ठीक है. तो जो चारपाई भी है वो इस सेंटेंस से दूर है. सो वी कैन शो लाइक दिस, दैट इज अ बॉल, दैट इज अ कॉट. ओके. नाउ सम sentences are here. We will read these sentences. Like, this is a book. Book is near to here. This is a book. Now that is a comb. Comb is far. Comb कहाँ है? दूर है. Comb is कंघी. So that is a comb. Now cat is near. So this is a cat. That is a net. Net is far. Net कहाँ है? दूर है. इन पिक्चर से दूर है. So that is a net. Then this is a hen. This is a hen. Hen is near to this sentence. That's why we are using this. Now that is a well. Well means कुआं. So that well is far from this sentence. ठीक है. इस सेंटेंस से जो कुआं है वो बहुत दूर है. So that is a well. Then rat. Rat is near to this sentence. This is a rat. Right? Now that is a lamp. Lamp is far from here. यहाँ से दूर है. So that is a lamp. So now students, I hope you understood where we have to use this and where we have to use that. The single thing that is near to us, we use this there, and the single thing that is far from us, that is far from us means हमसे दूर है. So the single thing that is far from us, we use that for to indicate that. ठीक है. उसको दिखाने के लिए हम that का यूज करते हैं. Always we use this finger to point the things that are far from us. और हम इस उंगली का यूज करते हैं उस चीज को दिखाने के लिए जो हमसे दूर होती है. ओके. Now so it's time to show you the worksheet. What you will do in your worksheet. Okay. So here is your worksheet. First, here is the definition of this and that. ओके. डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस एंड दैट मीन्स कि हमें दिस कहाँ यूज़ करना है और दैट कहाँ यूज़ करना है वो मैंने इसमें लिखा है. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, वी यूज़ दिस टू शो अ सिंगल पर्सन. सिंगल पर्सन मीन्स वन पर्सन. प्लेस, वन प्लेस, कोई भी एक जगह. वन थिंग, कोई भी एक चीज़. or one animal, right? So we use this to show a single person, place, thing or animal which is near to us, जो हमारे पास है, ठीक है. सिंगल थिंग में कौन कौन आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? हम किस किस के लिए दिस यूज कर सकते हैं? पर्सन मीन्स ह्यूमंस के लिए, प्लेसेस जगहों के लिए, थिंग्स चीज़ों के लिए और एनिमल्स जानवरों के लिए. लेकिन जो हमारे पास है और एक है, वन है ओनली, ठीक है. सो वी यूज दिस टू शो अ सिंगल पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग और animal which is near to us. Now that we use that to show a single person, place, thing or animal which is far away from us. We use that, हम that का use करते हैं to show a single person. Single person means one person, एक आदमी, one place, one thing or one animal which is far from us, जो हमसे दूर है, ठीक है. दूर की एक चीज़ के लिए, एक पर्सन के लिए, एक प्लेस के लिए, एक थिंग के लिए और एक एनिमल के लिए हम दैट का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, नाउ हियर आर सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक दिस इज, हियर इज अ बॉल. सो व्हाट वी विल से, दिस इज अ बॉल बिकॉज दिस बॉल इज नियर टू मी. दिस इज अ बॉल. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? पेंसिल. So if I am asking you what is this, so from this question you can take a hint, ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन से ही आपको हिंट मिल जाता है कि मैम ने पूछा है what is this, this पूछा है मैम ने. so you will start your answer with this, ठीक है. so this is a pencil, this is a pencil. now what is this? now what is this? So I start my question what is this and ending my question on this, ठीक है. मैंने क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट किया what से और एंड का किया this पर, तो इट मीन्स कि you will start your answer with this, right? so this is a book, this is a book, right? so these things are near to me, that's why I am using this here. now students, here are some examples for that. So here you can see this sign, it means this sign is showing the things that are far from us, ठीक है. ये जो साइन है ये क्या शो कर रहा है? ऐसी चीजें जो हमसे दूर है, and we use that for the things that are far, ठीक है. और जो चीजें हमसे दूर होती है उनके लिए हम that का यूज करते हैं. so my question is what is that? what this sign is showing that, what is that? now I am asking you what is that. now my question is ending at that, ठीक है. अब जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा है what is that, वो कहाँ पर खत्म हो रहा है? that पे. it means you will start your answer with that, you will use here that. so that is a tree. again what is that? what is that? you can see this is the picture of a moon. so what is that? so answer will be, yes you are right, that is a moon, that is a moon. then again what is that? this finger indicates what is that. so that is a star, that is a star. okay students, so this is how we can use this and that. now look at the picture given below and circle this and that for them, ठीक है. यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं और पूरे सेंटेंस लिखे गए हैं. आपको क्या करना है? इस पिक्चर को देखकर दिस और दैट को सर्कल करना है. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज डक. सो दिस डक इज नियर टू दिस सेंटेंस एंड सेंटेंस इज दिस इज अ डक. सो व्हाट यू विल सर्कल हियर? this, right? now mango, is it right? this is a mango. yes, this, right? then that is a sun, that is a sun, you will circle that. then this is a car, you will circle this. then that is a butterfly, you will circle that. that is a cloud, so you will circle that. okay, now here are some question answers regarding this and that, ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर है जिसमें दिस और दैट का यूज करके आपको आंसर देना है. सो क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट इज दिस. सो आई एम ending my question at this. It means you will start your answer with this. This is a toy. T-O-Y, toy, right? Then now look at this sign. What this sign indicates? That the thing is far from us. This sign is indicates that the thing is far from us. इस निशान से, इस इशारे से हमें क्या पता चलता है कि जो चीज है वो हमसे दूर है. So what is that? What is that? So your answer will be yes, that is a kite. That is a kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Full stop. Then this, what is this? So if I am using this here, it means the thing is near to us. So your answer will be, what is this? Yes, this is a cap. This is a cap, right? Now what is that? What is that? So here is a pot and I am using that here, and this sign is indicate that the thing is far from us. This sign indicates that thing is far from us. ठीक है, ये जो निशान है, ये जो इशारा है, इससे हमें पता चलता है कि जो चीज है वो हमसे दूर है. So what is that? So answer is that is a pot. That is a pot. Okay, so this is how you can answer these questions. Okay, and you will practice more questions to answer like this using this and that. Okay, so do this worksheet in your English language notebook, or try to understand where you have to use this and that. Okay, so till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Bye.